Oh, oh, success. Oh, Jesus.
What are you doing here, man?
Hey guys, this video is completely different than what you've seen on my channel before, but I hope you really like it. So Viewsonic reached out to me to do a 4K ultimate big game experience setup using their very popular low-priced 4K UHD projector, the PX747 4K. And I sort of felt that this will be better given to my friend. You see, he's a cop, and after a long, stressful day at work, what he likes to do is kick his feet up, watch a movie or watch some sports in his projector theater room. It's a very nice setup, but the one thing that's hindering the setup is his projector. And I kind of felt this would be a good way to give back and upgrade his setup instead of mine for a change. So with the help of his family, I was able to get into the house while he was at work and do a full upgrade of his setup, new speakers, new projector, and a few other things that enhances the experience. And I was able to actually record his reaction when he first saw it, as I was still at his house while I was setting it up. Also, there is a giveaway tied to this, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to check this out. A big thanks to Viewsonic for making this happen, and enjoy the video. All right, so his son told me that the door is unlocked. And I know they have a dog too, so let's see how this works. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay, door number 2. All right, here we go. Oh God. Hey boy, hey. Already made it inside the house. As you can see, the dog is here, and that's it. All right, walking down into the basement right now. We're gonna check everything out, see what we have in there, and kind of get an idea of what we're working with and what we're gonna set up. So look, his basement is actually really nice. He has this nice seating arrangement here, nice tiered approach when it comes to walking up the steps. So yeah, it's a very nice template, but his projector is old as dirt. This is a extremely old projector. And if you have this type of setup, you have this type of seating arrangement, in my opinion, you can't have this bad of a projector. And as his tech friend, as I'll call myself, I can't allow a person who has a 100-inch screen to project with a crappy projector. So we're gonna swap this projector out with a brand new 4K projector from Viewsonic. This is the Viewsonic PX747 4K UHD projector. This can project up to 300 inches and 3500 lumens. This is a very bright projector, so it lights up this room nicely. And with his Xbox being HDR compatible, he can experience the best possible picture using this projector. It has all the ports in the back as well, like HDMI 1.4 and HDMI 2, has a USB connection, and more. All right, so the first step is to get this projector out of here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna Rick James my way onto his couch to sort of look at all the connections and see what exactly we're doing right now up here. So we'll go ahead and unplug everything, grab this off the bracket, and just kind of do a plug and play method and see if that's enough. He also has a subwoofer that's nestled up here against that wall. And then behind that is that hole where we can run the cables right through. So as I said, I'm gonna run the speaker wire straight down here, all the way underneath the carpet, pull it up, and then hook up the speaker here, hook up one right here, and I'm gonna move the subwoofer to the other side of the popcorn machine. All right, we're almost set up. I have the projector here installed, the Viewsonic, and I did the configuration on the screen already, so it looks really crisp. I did hook up, as you can hear probably, I did hook up these front 2 speakers. I left the center channel as well. I just ran the cords under the carpet. I lifted up a little bit, ran the cords that way. He should be home any minute now, actually. His family just got here and he's just getting food for the family right now. I'll do my best to kind of figure out how I'm going to surprise him that I'm in his house. I parked down the street, so there's no confusion that way. So anyways, guys, this is going to be exciting, and hopefully this turns out good. Here's the view from the third row in his seating area. As you can see, the setup is really nice in here, and just having this new projector, the 4K projector, just makes everything a lot nicer. He has these little light strips at the bottom too, and we got the speakers in the front that really enhances the sound a lot. So I think he'll like it a lot. I mean, it's a significant upgrade from what we had here before. So yeah, just waiting for him to get home at this point. All right, his family just told me that he's here, so I'm gonna try to sneak up on him right here and see if I can get him when he walks in the house. Hey!
What are you doing here, man?
What are you
doing?
I know. This is stupid. So, what is the one thing in your house that I absolutely hate? Like what's the one thing I just hate about your house?
I don't know. What do you hate about my house?
Selfishly, man, it's your projector, man. You got this projector from 1943.
You do all this.
It's 720p projector, man. This
I knew something funny was going on, bro.
Man, I had Trey unlock the door. It was crazy, man. But anyways, we upgraded your projector to a 4K UHD projector from Viewsonic, and I got you some new speakers too. Because selfishly, when I come over and watch the game, I want to enjoy myself, and the big game's coming up soon, so we gotta check this out.
My projector was that bad.
Yeah, it was actually that bad. All right, here we go. Your theater room actually is going to be a theater room, not a crappy projector room anymore. You think you're ready for this?
Let's see what you got.
Think you're ready for this? Boom! Look at that projector. Look at that. Look, man, I know you're not into tech stuff, but let me show you something real quick. Here's your old projector, old and busted, and dusty. Let me just office space, and then here's your new projector. As I said, yeah, it's a lot bigger than the last one. Had to pull it back, but look how it fills that screen, man. This is real 4K, not the fake stuff, not the stuff your phone does. This is actual 4K. And if you didn't notice the speakers, I went in your ceiling, your dusty ceilings. I disconnected this speaker, disconnected that one, and I brought in some actual speakers from Infinity that I came out of pocket myself for. So there you go. Selfishly, I upgraded your stuff, so when I'm here, I can enjoy myself, and we can watch the big game in peace.
No complaints.
Say thank you, Viewsonic.
Thank you, Viewsonic.
Thank you, Tech Ninja.
Thank you, Tech Ninja.
And thank you for your service. So this whole setup took me around 4 hours, from taking down the old projector and putting up the new one and making everything look nice and neat. And it was so worth it. I just loved his reaction from it. Oh, one more thing. We did promise the giveaway. So the giveaway is linked down below. It's a gleam.io website. Once you go there, you have multiple ways to enter to win this projector and a 100-inch screen. The winner will be contacted. I'll also announce it on my social media. Link is below to follow that. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and once again, thank you so much to Viewsonic for making this happen. I'll talk to you guys later.